Lecture number 17. Now let us see the spectrochemical series. See, जैसे functional groups में priority order रहती है कि on what basis do we say ये strong है, ये weak ligand है. So this is all depending on the spectrochemical series. You see, you can see the preference order. CO is the strongest ligand, iodide is the weakest ligand, and that is the preference order. You can see over here I have written साइनाइड स्ट्रॉन्ग है, अमोनिया भी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, क्लोराइड वीक है, थायोसाइनाइड वीक है, ब्रोमाइड वीक है. Okay, so these are all the ligands, and see on this the strength of the ligand, the pairing may take place, may not take place. All that it depends on what? All that it depends on the strength of the ligand, कि ligand कितना powerful है. Okay, now I would like to explain you the D5 system. Okay, D5 system मतलब if मैंने यहाँ पे 4 लिखा है, it should be 5. So it is a D5 system. I would like to explain here. Now see what I have written is if delta 0 is greater than P. What is P? It is the pairing energy. Pairing energy मतलब I have written the definition on the right hand side. What is pairing energy? The energy which is required to pair the electrons. 2 electrons pair करने के लिए against the electron repulsion in the same orbital of the metal atom or the ion in the complex. That is called as the pairing energy. Delta 0 का मतलब आपको मालूम है what is it? Okay, now that pairing energy depends on what? It depends upon the nature of the metal atom or the ion, but it is independent of the ligand in the complex. Okay, now let us see, यहाँ पे it should be the 5th electron because we are considering the D5 system. Okay, now listen here. When delta 0 is greater than P, delta 0 greater than P, that is the pairing energy. The 5th electron, where does it go? It occupies the T2G and then it tends to pair. What does it mean? See, listen here. I have given an example over here. Listen. It's a complex of FeF6 for example. Abhi FeF6 में it contains, what is the configuration? It is D5. 5 number of electrons in the D orbital. Then see it splits. It's a for octahedral complex it is. Okay, so then it will split. If it is the ligand is F6, वो split ऐसे ही होंगे दोनों तरफ में, they will split in the same way. Difference किधर है? The difference is in the ligand. यहाँ पे it is a weak ligand. Weak ligand है. Then what will happen? ये distance कम है. So distance कम है, तो this electron, the electron, it jumps in the higher energy round. So this will be D5. It will go like this. This is D5. समझा? Okay, because fluoride is weak ligand, तो यहाँ पे pairing नहीं होता है. This is called as a high spin complex. Whereas if it is FeCN6, cyanide कैसा है? Cyanide strong है. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? As it is strong, the difference is more. You can make the difference is less over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th. Because we are considering D5 electrons. Cyanide strong है, so the pairing of the electrons takes place here. The difference, ये जो difference है, that is more. यहाँ पे difference कम है. So that is, see, everything, the paramagnetism, it depends upon whether the ligand is strong or weak. Okay, if delta 0 is less than P, that means the electron will remain unpaired and it will occupy the Eg level. So this is the example. I have taken one example. With this one example, you can just compare the others which are given in your text. Okay, fine.